How to set up one-click sticky add to cart Shopify. Setting up one-click sticky add to cart on Shopify streamlines purchasing and boosts conversions. Now here is what we are going to do in order for us to get that done. So first things first, we are going to go ahead and look for a particular app. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and show you my shop. So here's how it looks. So as you can see, if I were to scroll down, you don't see anything down here that says add to cart. Still the same thing at the top, so that's why the cart is in here. And you can also have here your add to cart option and then buy it now option. So I'm going to go ahead and do something about it. Now here in our store, we're going to go ahead and look for Zeno. So just go ahead and basically type that one. Now you have here Zeno sticky add to cart, so go ahead and click this one, and then we're going to go ahead and click open app. Now it will either say install or open app. Basically, it is going to be the same thing in here. You're going to be asked to install it once again, just like that. Now that we are here, we're going to go ahead and do something. So first things first, integrate with your theme. So you're going to go ahead and choose your theme. So mine is called Refresh. That's the current theme that I'm using. And then if I were to preview this one, you should see it. It's actually very amazing. Alright, once you're in here, make sure that you have toggled this on if you haven't, because this is very important. That's a way in order for us to tell if it has been enabled or disabled. So if I were to scroll down, for example, you can see it now appear in here. So go ahead and click the save button here. Now there are different options here, so go ahead and try to check them out one by one. So yep, once you're done with that, go back to your store, and from here we're just going to go ahead and refresh this one, because as you can see, it still hasn't applied yet. Alright, there you go. Now moment of truth, scroll down, and there it is. So I can then go ahead and simply add this to the cart, and you can see that now there are 3 items. So again, we're going to delete that. Cart is empty. Close this one, click add to cart, and you can see it in here. So yep, that's the benefit of it. Congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to set up one-click sticky add to cart Shopify. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.